So our next topic is a presbyopia. So this is caused due to the aging. That means this is defect is caused due to the ability of accommodation of the eye usually decreases with the aging. Thus eyesight will be decreases due to the aging. So that means this presbyopia will causes to the aged peoples. For most of the peoples, the near point gradually reduces away. Most of the people, the near point gradually reduces away. So that means they find it difficult to see the near objects clearly and distinctly. So this is due to the gradual weakening of the ciliary muscles and diminishing the flexibility of eye lens. That means it will reduces the size of the due to the weakening of ciliary muscle action. So the eye lens will reduces the size. That means it will be diminished, means it will become a small. The eye lens will become very small. So this defect can be seen in aged people. Sometimes person may suffer from both the myopia and hypermetropia with the aging. Due to the aging, the peoples may suffer with both the myopia and hypermetropia. Usually due to correct this type of diseases, this type of defect of vision, we need a bifocal lenses which have formed by using both the concave and convex lenses. That is this bifocal lens is formed by the concave and convex lens. So that means the upper portion of this bifocal lens consists of a concave part, and the lower part of this bifocal lens consists of a convex lens. So these are the three diseases or vision defects caused by different reasons. Student, if you go to a eye hospital to get test for vision defect, so the doctor gives you a prescription that contains some more information regarding types of lenses to be used to correct the vision. So you might hear that people saying my sight is increased, decreased. What does it means? Usually doctors, after testing for defect of vision, prescribes the correct lenses indicating their power, which determine the types of lens to be used and its focal length. So that means, what do you mean by the power of lens? Let us see. So the power of lens is nothing but the degree of convergence or divergence of light rays that can be achieved by a lens expressed in terms of a power. That means the degree of convergence or divergence of light. Light may be converge or diverge. For example, here we are seeing that the rays are, after reaching the this lens, it will diverge, it will converge or may diverge. So if they continue diverge, they reaches the out of the retina. That means the image will be formed beyond retina. So if they converge, that means they forms the on retina or in front of retina. So that means based on the conversion of based on the degree of conversion or diversion of light rays is achieved by a lens is expressed in terms of the power. This is expressed in terms of the power. So the reciprocal of focal length is called as the power of lens. Reciprocal of focal length is called as a power. So let us f be the focal length of the lens. So power of lens is written as a p is equals to power of lens is denoted with the letter p. So it is equals to 1 by reciprocal of focal length na. So 1 by f. If it is in a meters. If it is in centimeters, we have 100 by f. So here this power of lens is denoted represented units of this power of lens is a diopter. So it is denoted with the letter D. Here see one example how to find a focal length. So in a question there is a doctor advised to use a 2D lens. So what is its focal length? So let us find out focal length. So here 2D means it is nothing but power of lens. So that is P is equals to 2D. So P is equals to, our formula is a P is equals to 100 by F. So 100 by F. Then we have to find out the focal length. So here power of lens is a 2. So 2 is equals to 100 by F. We have to cross multiplicate it. After cross multiplication we will get f is equals to 100 by 2, that is equals to 50 centimeters. That means the focal length of the 2D lens is equals to the 50 centimeters. Student, do this problem by taking more examples and also complete your classwork. So until now whatever you wrote you post in the group. Whatever you wrote I will correct your answers so that you can post. I already sent what you have to write from this lesson. So you first of all finish your classwork and post in this group.